Now, on the topic of structural adjustment, on the topic of the economy, on the topic of subsidies, you know, it's extremely interesting as an economist listening to lawyers and engineers discuss the economy. You know, extremely, beautiful analysis. To be honest, I can stand here today and I can give a few points that are contrary, a few points that explain perhaps what we're going through and how it was totally predictable, most of it, and maybe avoidable. But I'm not going to do that. I've chosen not to speak about the economy and the reforms or to even explain anything because if I explain, it would help this government, and I don't want to help the government. I don't want to help this government. You know, they're my friends. If they don't behave like friends, I don't behave like a friend. So I watch them being stewed, and they don't even have people with credibility who can come and explain what they're doing. But I'm not going to help. I started out helping, but I'm not going to help. I'm not going to discuss it. Let them come and explain to Nigerians why the policies that are being pursued are being pursued. And
welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about the Emir of Kano, Muhammadu Sanusi, who said that he has solutions to the economic problem facing the country under the Tinubu administration, but he said that he's not going to reveal this information, this solution, to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu or his administration, that let them sort it out by themselves. That's what we're going to talk about. The issue of having the solution and not making it available to the government of the day. Do you think that the Emir is being patriotic, or the Emir is doing the right thing because the government itself has made a lot of enemies, which it has to pay a price, like that kind of price of somebody having a solution but not ready to share it because he's angry with the government of the day. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Sanusi having solution to the economic mess in the country and saying he's not ready to share it. Let the government wumble and fumble along the path of sorting out the mess that he has put the nation. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the Emir of Kano, Muhammadu Sanusi II, has said that he have solution to the economic issues facing the country, but that he's not ready to help the Tinubu administration. He spoke at the 21st anniversary of feminism in Lagos and berated the government's approach to economic policies and its inability to present credible explanations to the public. Now, the Emir was quoted to have said, "I have chosen not to speak about the economy and the reports or even explain anything, because if I speak, it is going to help the government, and I don't want to help the government. I don't want to help this government. I don't want to help this government. They are my friends, but if they don't behave like friends, I won't behave like a friend. They don't even have people with credibility who can come and explain what they are doing. I'm not going to help. I'm not going to discuss it. Let them come and explain to Nigerians what they are doing. Let them come and explain to Nigerians what they are doing, why the policies that are being pursued are being pursued. End of quote. That's the Emir of Kano, Muhammadu Sanusi II. Of course, you know that Muhammadu Sanusi II is an economist. He was also the former Central Bank of Nigerian governor. So if he said that he has a solution, it means that he has some information that could help the government. But he said he's not going to help this government. That this government has no credibility, because it has no people with credibility that can even explain what it is doing. And that if he say what should be done, it will help the government. But he don't want this government to be helped. Now, how did we get to this level where Sanusi is sort of holding back on what he thinks are the solution to the problem that we found ourselves? Because Nigeria, whether we like it or not, we're in an economic mess. No matter how they use public relation propaganda to tell you that things are looking okay, it's not true. The economy is in tatters. Okay, but Sanusi has a solution, but he won't share it. But I can understand where Sanusi was coming from. It was like my thinking is that it's based on the government's its own meddlesomeness in the affairs of Kano State. Remember that Sanusi was crowned the Emir of Kano when under the New Nigerian People's Party administration in Kano State. And after he was crowned, the federal government allegedly was said to have interfered in the matter, leading to the emergence of another emir, that's Bayero, Emir Bayero. Now they have been back and forth over who is the authentic emir in Kano, while the government in Kano State, because emirship and chieftaincy issue, these are matters of the state and not of the federal government. The state government in Kano appointed Sanusi that he is the Emir of Kano, and dissolved the previous emirates that were created by the Ganduje administration and all that. But you see the Bayero Emir, Emir Bayero, insisting that he is an emir too, and has been going to court back and forth. And there are allegations, not proven yet, that the federal government is sympathetic to the Emir Bayero and all that. So that has created a kind of tension in Kano over who is really in charge. But of course, you know that since Emir Sanusi is the one appointed by the state government that had the power to do so, it is believed that Sanusi is the man. But because of the kind of role, I'm sure that because of the kind of role that the Tinubu administration allegedly are playing, because of Ganduje, who is the chairman of the APC, and who installed Bayero as part of the 5 emirates that he created, is wielding a lot of influence in Abuja, and Abuja people are alleged to be interfering in Kano affair. So you can understand the anger of the Emir of Kano, Sanusi. That could be the reason why he said that he has the solution, but that he don't want to share it. Because if he shares it, he will be helping the government to succeed. In other words, he is saying, I don't want the Tinubu administration to succeed. They don't deserve to succeed. What they deserve is to fail. It's really a very an issue that ordinarily you look at it and say, Emir Sanusi, we are talking about our nation. We are talking about our country. The welfare and success of Nigeria is bigger than whatever anger you have with the administration of the day, because it's the ordinary Nigerians that are suffering under the weight of the incompetence of the Tinubu administration and the APC administration. If you have a solution, let us hear from you so that the hardship in this country will stop, because Nigerians are passing through hell under this administration. But that's if you want to look at it patriotically. But when you want to also look at it with the arrogancy of power that are being exhibited by the Tinubu administration, you can then begin to understand why the Emir could as well say, let them continue to wumble and fumble until Nigerians will totally see that they don't deserve to occupy the position they are occupying. Perhaps there will be a lot of anger in the society that will eventually lead to the defeat of the APC in the 2027 presidential election, and we may have the end of the APC. That's my understanding of what he's saying. Whatever you think about this, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you.